People act. People act. People act.
Alrighty guys, welcome back. I am here to give you a almost zero waste nighttime routine. I am pretty excited about this. I know it's not perfect, so hopefully in a few months I can get it a little bit updated for you guys and give you an even better version of this. So let's just get into it. The first thing I'm doing is washing my makeup off with a cleansing oil from Burt's Bees. I love it. It's not zero waste, but I think it's a great product anyway, and hopefully one day I can switch out the product and get a zero waste version, but I was kind of in desperate need of one, and that was my go-to. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my reusable makeup wipe and just take all the excess makeup off, just because you can't get it all in just that one wash. And yeah, I love this thing. It works great. So the next thing I'm doing is just turning on some music and getting ready to hop in the shower. So the products I'm about to show you are the only zero waste products I have right now in my shower. So yeah, that's all I'm going to show you. So I have my shampoo bar, my body wash bar, and my Clarisonic, which isn't really zero waste, and safety razor. Alrighty, so I'm out of my shower now in my sleep clothes and ready to finish off my routine. So I'm brushing out my hair. I'm using this brush I got from TJ Maxx, and it is a decomposable hairbrush, so I love it. It's good for the earth and good for your hair, you know? So yeah, I'm just going to take this time while I brush out my hair for a nice long time to tell you that all the products I talked about in this video are going to be written down below. I don't know if I can get links for all of them, but I will do my best for you guys to at least leave the name for you. That way, if you want anything, you can go search it up for yourself. So now I am taking my reusable cotton pad and I'm spraying my toner on here, my rose water toner. I like this toner, but I'm looking to upgrade because it's a spray bottle with the plastic top, so it's not completely zero waste and recyclable. And the next thing I am doing is brushing them tooths. I don't have a zero waste toothpaste right now because I literally hate every single one of them, but that is my bamboo toothbrush. We know and love her. Everybody should have a bamboo toothbrush at this point. It's just honestly a necessity, and I don't think it's necessary to have a plastic toothbrush these days. Just my personal opinion. So yeah, it's really nice me spitting out all that good stuff. Anyways, yeah. So the next thing I'm doing is putting on some oil. I don't use moisturizer, I use oil. So I love this one. It's great for acne scars, which I have plenty of. And then I use this roller. I don't know what just crystal that is. Jade. Is jade green? I don't know. I just use it because it feels good. And I don't know if it's actually doing anything. And then I use my zero waste lip balm that I got for Christmas. And then yeah, pretty much all set to go. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's pretty short and sweet, but I like watching these videos. I hope this helped you figure out some products you might want to purchase in the future. And also I will be making a zero waste haul soon with a bunch of new products that I will be incorporating into my beauty routine. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night or whatever's going on wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.